How to watch live football on YouTube TV in Qatar. YouTube TV is a US-based streaming service that offers live television, including sports channels broadcasting football games. However, it is not officially available in Qatar. To access YouTube TV and watch live football from Qatar, follow these steps. Step number 1. Subscribe to a VPN service. Choose a reliable VPN provider. Select a VPN service that offers servers in the United States. Providers like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark are known for their reliability and streaming capabilities. Install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Step number 2, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app. Launch the VPN application on your device. Connect to a US server. Select a server located in the United States to obtain a US IP address. This step is crucial as YouTube TV is geo-restricted to the US. Step number 3, subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website. With the VPN connected, go to the website. Sign up for a subscription. Click on Try It Free to start a free trial. Then, follow the prompts to create an account and enter payment details. Note that free trial durations can vary. You can check the remaining days of your free trial in YouTube TV app under Settings, Membership. Step number 4, install the YouTube TV app on your device. Download the app. Install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device like Roku or Chromecast. Sign in. Open the app and sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 5, access live football games. Navigate to sports channels. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Start streaming. Select the game you wish to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device.